because I tried all of their beans like in their store. All right, welcome back, everybody.
Welcome back to a new episode.
Happy Coffee House.
Happy Coffee House.
Yeah, we're back here again, and we're testing 3 new beans today. We have our old friend Hatch over there.
Oh, it was gonna say Summer.
Oh,
yeah,
well, Summer. Summer is always here now, so.
Okay, so we have Hatch here.
We have Hatch. So this time it's going to be a different Hatch. Last time we ordered something like it's going to be a lighter roast, which is extremely sour, extremely bad tasting. I believe that one is called Starlight.
We have today Supernova.
Yeah, we have Supernova. It's like a medium to medium dark roast. I believe it's Colombia or
Brazil.
no. Yeah, Brazil. Yes. And second, we are going to try this 49th Parallel Old School Espresso. Yeah, I think it's either top 3 or maybe even like top 1 selling like in Canada.
Like before we started recording this, I was reading about it. Like I just saw like the bag, and I was telling Galen that I think it's gonna be a little bit strong. So it might be good for like espressos or like good for lattes. I have high hopes for that one.
And by the way, all of the beans we're using today, we're going to mix them with milk drinks.
Okay.
And today it's going to be special because I'm going to make them to, everyone's liking. And the third one we're going to do is, I don't know how to call them, like
Dineen coffee.
So I think everybody calls it in a different way. I
Yeah.
call it dine-in.
So basically this one is my favorite one so far.
Oh, that's the one that we always drink.
Yeah, this
whenever we're here,
is my everyday bean. So I don't even need to write, like notes, like what's the
You know,
dialing
so what's
parameters.
the-
I drink this every day. And behind it, it's going to be something extra. This is not part of the test, but I was surprisingly when I bought this bean from, Dineen or Dining, the package that was sent to me is actually shipped by Hatch. If it's shipped by Hatch, it's probably like roasted by Hatch.
Produced
right?
by Hatch. And only with the brand of dine-in.
Yeah, so I don't think like Dining has their own roasters. And I went online and I was like searching like, are these two exactly the same? Like, is there an exact like replacement from Hatch? Hatch is supposed to be like one of the biggest roasters in the Toronto area. It's nice to have something like a backup, So I searched online. These are the exact beans before roasting. They're both from Brazil. They're all from the same farm. I hope it tastes same as this one, so I got like more options when I buy them. Let's try them out. To start with, we're gonna start with the Supernova. All right, we're back, and as you can see, everyone ordered different drinks. George over there, actually they have the same drinks. It's like, basically it's oat milk cappuccino.
Huh?
Yeah,
We ordered latte.
I know, but it's easier.
I know,
Alright.
we're like,
Right?
It's coffee omakase.
And
Chef
we got Wincy with cappuccino, just with 2% milk, and me is the cappuccino with the regular milk. This is for Hasper. She ordered the ice americano, and Mr. 7 iced latte. So basically, like the difference between cappuccino and latte is like latte has less like foam on top, right?
do you have the same amount of coffee?
Yes. Well, no, but since we are going to drink a lot of coffees, I give you smaller cups. The reason why I give you guys cappuccino is because with oat milk, the foam doesn't, come up that easily. So with like foam I can make with the oat milk to cappuccino, it's basically similar to the foam that you will have with normal milk with latte. Let's try it.
It has a lot of coffee
like
flavor.
it. Yeah,
Even if you said that you didn't put like the complete
it's
shot,
good.
like the normal, like the shot.
Like it's
I
a
can
single
feel
shot,
it.
right?
I can feel it.
Do you like it
A
or
little
not?
bit
I like
bitter.
it.
I
You
like
it?
it.
You like it?
Yeah, it doesn't taste any sour
So,
flavor
so,
inside.
so it's like totally different from the Hatch from last time, right?
Yeah,
你的也不错，
嗯
哦，nice，
我觉得很好喝。
it's nice.
Mr. 7 and Casper?
真的好好喝，但你
特
可能
别好喝
不喜欢燕麦的。
How do you feel, Casper?
I don't think that's
Balance?
三股比较
So it's Casper says
sour?
it's a balance between sour and bitter.
swanty.
So is it good or not? Oh, so you like it? Okay.
Really？
No,
It's 7. It's too
Why?
light.
It's not too light, just it's a different kind of taste,
So is it bitter or?
a little bit bitter.
So like, I think what you're trying to say is like it's pure bitter but no other flavor.
Let me make it
Right?
better for you.
Okay. So you want vanilla or orange peel? Okay.
Actually, how many pumps? One?
Yeah.
One. That's one.
Wow.
That's one.
I think I will need 胰岛素怎么说
Insulin.
No, it's sugar free.
Sorry,
Sorry, no.
that's your sugar free.
You know that was only half a cup, right?
Sweet.
Okay.
Okay, Summer, you said you wanted to do one from orange.
Yeah,
Maybe
but
half a pump.
I
Yeah.
actually like.
Oh, so you actually like it without the syrup?
Yes.
Wait, so I have a question for everybody. If Summer puts orange in this, would this be considered like whenever? Remember when we went and we ordered like the orange americano? Would that be like the same?
No, it will be totally different because the orange americano
I
is
like this
actually
one.
actual orange. This is sugar. Well, sugar-free sugar.
Sugar free sugar. So one pump for this.
Half a pump, half a pump.
There you go.
Okay. But this is pretty good.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you don't.
舍不得。
So you don't want to try it.
I'm afraid.
Yeah, it's too sweet. Sorry, Mr. Seven.
Good.
It has the orange peel like scent in it. No?
Yeah, but a little bit sweet. Because we already.
Yeah,
drank
it's already
half
it's only
of-
half a
But
cup.
it's good.
So
Like, can you
yeah.
taste the orange?
Not really. Actually.
If you want to taste the orange, you need more.
But that should be sweet.
Yeah, it's gonna be super sweet. So I guess Mr. Seven doesn't like this one. I'm okay. Like out of these, because I have already tried all of these. It's not my favorite, but
No, that I could take it. I could
bad.
have it every
I
morning.
like
do
it.
you like it?
Wait.
I like
You
it.
like it?
I
This
really
one?
like it. I think she likes mine.
Yes, it's like a little.
She only likes
Yeah,
this
she
a
likes
little
a
bit.
little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit. So let's start with the 49th parallel old school espresso. All right, so we're back with the 49th parallel old school espresso. Yeah, let's just start tasting. Mr. Seven, you already tasted yours.
Like I could.
Like
It used
it?
to be my everyday coffee last year,
Uh-huh.
and then I stopped buying it just because I have to buy it from Montreal. I have to order it.
Okay.
Sometimes I just forget.
Yeah, by the way, this is from this is the Montreal roaster, so you have to order in advance because you never know. Like,
I think it's good.
you like it?
Yeah.
Better than the last one?
I think this one's a little bit bitter than last one. I maybe prefer last one because
You
last
prefer
one is
last
not
one
that bitter.
Okay.
But the whole taste is awesome.
它跟我平时喝的没什么区别的，喝不太出来。Everything more so-so, not bad.
Okay. Everything today is single shot, so it's gonna be lighter. So normally I would make latte with like a double shot. Yeah. Esther?
A little bit.
Too big.
The last one.
Okay. So you like last one better.
This one. 我喜欢苦一些的。
So you like bitter. Okay. Yeah, this one's a little bit too strong for me. Not the good strong flavor. It's a bit how do you say, smoky.
Yeah,
Oh.
Can I try? It tastes 香怎么说
good. 香
Good.
NG.
？It is very tasty. I like.
So someone is gonna try the syrup. Full pump.
Oh my god.
No, I like it, I like it.
Too sweet?
Let's go
Yeah,
to
no,
the
he
other
did a
cup.
full pump.
What?
He did a full pump.
Let's go to the other coffee.
I would suggest you use something like this, bigger, and more coffee and more milk to dilute it. With the orange peel flavor, you do need like a full pump to have the orange flavor out. I think the majority of us like the hatch better actually.
Yeah.
Mr. Seven definitely like this one better, and Hasper like this one better. This one is a little bit darker roast. Maybe that's where the smoking flavor is coming from.
But have you ever tried this one with ice? Sometimes the heat will heat up the smoky flavor, right?
I think I need to make a double shot for you too. This one tastes like water. So I do think like with ice latte, you definitely need like the double shot. Let's start with the next hatch. Rio
What?
Just read it.
Rio Brilhante Tropicana Natural.
Is it Portuguese?
Yeah, it's Portuguese.
Okay, yeah, it's
Rio Brilhante, like brilliant, like
So basically, this is exact same bean, like I said before. So I think today we're just going to try the hatch.
you're gonna be the most important person right now. We're gonna ask you like, can you like make the same coffee you make with the other one
Mm-hmm.
to see if you can see the difference.
Right.
That's what we're gonna say.
We're back with the third bean. I hope it can taste the same as this one. When she still have the ice latte and Summer has the oat milk latte cappuccino mix. And George definitely have like that's definitely a latte. And Mr. Seven still for Hasper it's still the Americano, and for me it's still cappuccino. No,
Why
I'll be the last.
yours is good in mine?
Well, because I made this one last.
He made it for himself. He made like lovely, you know. Gonna make it so
No,
good
it's-
for me.
So oat milk. 不，你讲一下。
我说怎么这么 bitter 呢？我喝了啊
Good 啊
good 啊
So how do you think it tastes?
，good 不
good
good
啊
啊，good 啊
good 啊。Last one is better. This is a little bitter, I think.
Well, because this one is double shot. Last one is only single shot. You want to try?
Yeah, me.
It was over like hey what?
你看我，你就这样，你刚才一
小
直在这样。
生刚才东张西望。对
Really?
I like it. Can you try it?
他说
What do you
他给他
think? You don't like it? Why? What?
I think it's too bitter.
What?
Yeah.
No, I didn't taste any bitter.
Well, because it is a
different.
normal latte though.
Can you taste different from?
You want to mix it?
Well, I think this is good.
是吧？
Oh, that's a double shot for you.
I have a double shot.
Yeah, you have a double shot.
Oh,
Because
that's
you
why.
want you want to mix it with the syrup, no?
That's right.
I'm single shot, that's why.
So which one do you prefer?
苦，没有对，没有想象那么苦，我反而尝到了更多的酸。
So Hasper still prefer the 49 Parallel because it's a little bit more bitter, less sour. This one's got a little bit sour, but not a sharp sour. So, but she still prefer the one with no sour. So this is your normal dose of cappuccino.
So I don't like this.
One pump.
No, no,
I
no.
think half a pump will do.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no, that's
Too
half.
much.
That's half a pump.
Last couple days. couple days.
Yeah.
Napkin.
Yeah. Last time she was like, we watched it like she was like.
Yeah.
Oh, it only little sweet.
It's
And
okay
No,
sweet.
no sweet. Only a little bit sweet.
Okay. Now this one is too bitter with the orange flavor.
Oh, really? So you think you put too much syrup?
Yeah. I don't know. Like it's
Okay.
still light. I don't think I like it.
So, in conclusion, for this bean, does not like it very much. Does not like.
No, I
Does
didn't
not
like that one.
Does not like. So. So I think only Summer likes it. This one is definitely have like no sour at all. Just a little bit bitter. Definitely not like as sharp as like this one over here. However, I do think that this one is, I would say it's similar to that one. This one is actually just a tiny bit lighter than that one. But I don't know why, but this one, I don't like it because even with the cappuccino over here or like the latte they have, I can still taste the sour from it. Like Hasper explained, it's not the sharp sour, but it's still sour. For me, I would still prefer this one. It's still my favorite. Everyone have tried this before, so I guess if this one is out of stock or
Yeah,
something,
you
that
can
one
get the
is definitely
Supernova.
something I can
That's good.
live with.
And I actually
also-
like the one in the middle.
You actually like the one in the middle.
Yeah,
Okay.
like it had like more coffee flavor. So if I had to choose, like I would be like, of course, the one that you always have, like the dine-in. If I had to choose between the hatch or the blue one, or this like whatever color
The
it is,
49th Parallel.
I will take this one.
You can have this one.
Thank you.
Wow. This one I think good for like coffee lover, also the coffee beginner. It's balanced very well.
Yeah.
This is the like number one this time today, and the second one I think maybe that one.
Like
If that
this
one,
This one or
yeah,
this
that
one? Okay.
Actually, I really like this one, but this one is I like it.
But what's the difference you feel between these two?
This one I don't know why like even the same oat milk, but I think this one tastes more smoothie. It's more acceptable. But this one I think you might be have the single shot will be better like mixed with
Well,
the oat milk.
so basically all the drinks you had today is exactly the same.
Exactly
Single
same.
shot between cappuccino and latte.
Yeah, yeah.
So all three you had today is exactly the same.
I like
had
single shot.
I had the exact same ones as well. So I had the single shot cappuccino, and so like for me, still number one. Well, so
Yeah.
let's
Wow.
take that one out of the way. Then that one definitely. This one I don't like very much because it does have this little sourness in it. Like this is drinkable, but definitely I will not buy this again to drink every day. So I guess George and Mr. Seven both really like the 49th parallel.
Yeah, I
And-
think this is too smoky for me.
yeah, it's too smoky for me too, but Mr. Seven liked it so much that he just placed the order. Yeah, so I guess I'll just keep ordering this one.
So, recommend.
First, second, yeah. For me,
For me, first, second, third.
So that one is third for me too, but this one definitely like none of us really like it. It even smells sour.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, this is not mine.
okay.
Ooh, it smells good.
Yeah, that one is good.
Yeah.
That's Supernova, right?
Yeah, that's Supernova.
Floats in the
I
space.
So 像烟
Just
smoke
it-
How about
it's smoky.
song called Super-
Smoky.
Wow, yeah.
It's very smoky flavor.
very smoky.
very smoky
right?
flavor.
Smoke,
So-
so you're
so-
like
I don't so. Yeah. Right.
And smell light.
So in conclusion, we all do like the Supernova a
Recommend
lot,
this.
and secondly it will be the 49th parallel. And the name we didn't try today, but from my experience, I would put them personally. I would put them in between. Well, no, like I would put that one like on top, and the Phil Sebastian we didn't try. I would put that one even before.
okay.
Yeah, so I actually do really like that one. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we got 3 more beans to test next time. I'm thinking maybe we should try something from Ethica. Maybe they have something good. Who
like
knows,
it, yeah.
right? I mean,
we're
we
gonna
all
give-
hit the hatch last time.
We're gonna give a second chance.
Yeah,
And
but
then
I
we'll see what
definitely will not give Pilot a chance because I tried all of their beans like in their store. Yeah, we will give Ethica a second chance.
Hey.
Yeah.
So that's it for this video. Please subscribe and like the video if you like it. Hit the dislike button if you don't like it. Leave comments what else we should try. And see you guys next time.
Thank you. Until the
Bye.
next one.